All right, looks like we're live. Welcome, everybody, and thank you for joining. We're going to be talking about the six steps to market research and the six key components of understanding the market. When you look at any market, there's six major important things that you must understand. Otherwise, you'll be ineffective. Your cost for acquisition of leads or customers are extremely high. Probably won't be profitable. You'll have horrible experiences with your customers. Your customer experiences are going to be horrible with you, and ultimately you won't be in business very long. So you must understand the market. And when you understand the market, you can begin to navigate that market in a way that's it's profound. You have a perspective that allows you to be able to help your market navigate the problems, reach their solutions, achieve their dreams, and you can really communicate to them in a way that moves the needle for your business. And so, what that looks like is acquiring customers, and you can communicate with them using their language. They're going to connect with you, they're going to trust you, they're going to know you and become to know you and like you. And those are aspects of that you must have with your clients and with your prospects in order to grow your business. Okay, so let's jump into it here. The six steps to understanding a market is really knowing these six key components. And let's start with the competitive landscape. What is the market like already? What is your competitors doing? What's the competition like in the landscape? So when you understand the competition, whether it's direct or indirect competition, you can understand, like, okay, what is my market seeing? What is my market experiencing? And then when you understand the competitive landscape, you can jump in and you'll be able to piece actually a lot of this together from your competitive landscape. You'll get to see what your competition is doing and communicating, and how they're communicating to your prospects and to your market. And so you can see what your customer's understanding is from the receiving end of that. Most of the time, not all the time. Sometimes your competition can't communicate very well to the market. So knowing what your customer's empathy map is, and connecting with your customers in that way is going to help you have profound relationships with your clients, and you'll be able to cultivate lifetime values that is just phenomenal. But you really need to understand your customers on a deeper level, and so the understanding the empathy map is really important. And if you purchase the upgrade to our program, you'll have an Excel spreadsheet, a Google spreadsheet, more specifically, that will walk you through each of these, and they'll cover it in each of the sections in that. Okay, so then we're talking about the customer understanding, the empathy map. Then we move into the customer persona. What is your ultimate customer persona? What is the perfect customer for your business? Is it a male that's 55 years old, that's has over $5 million in retirement? Is it a CEO of a company that's 65 and about to retire, looking at retiring? Is your perfect customer a woman 35 years old, has 2 kids, likes to buy beauty products, right? So understanding your customer persona, what is a perfect customer? And then also looking at it, what is your worst customer? Who's the one that you got to stay away from? And when you understand the pro, like your best customer and then your worst customer, it'll help you communicate to your best and actually push away your worst by using certain language to propel your worst customers away. Okay. And then the stages of awareness. What are the stages of awareness for your market? Where your customers and your prospects lie in that stage of awareness, okay? And when you understand each stages of awareness and what your customers or prospects are talking about, thinking about, working through, what are the things that are important to them, and what is their understanding of where they're at. So we'll take you through the funnel, and you can see which stage of awareness your prospect. If you're looking to connect on the bottom of the funnel with generating leads, then you can speak to their stage of awareness. It'll help you communicate more effectively to people in that stage, and make your advertising more effective. All right, and then also we're going to look at the buyer's journey. What is the experience of the buyer when they come into your funnel, they purchase, and then they exit. Hopefully they don't exit and leave forever, but hopefully they circle back around, or buy another product or service that you have to offer. But then also looking at your competition's buyer journey and going through the buyer's journey. That's so important. And it's going to help you understand the experience of a customer, and then you'll be able to help lubricate the journey, the process, right? So it's much more efficient, effective, and provides the results that your customers ultimately want. And then the last part of the market research is understanding the market seasonality and the cycles. And what we always recommend is you market during the peaks of the seasons, and then you build on the bottoms of the seasons, and then you look at how you can create a trend that's counter to your current market cycle. So if your market peaks in January and then is low in the summer months, June, July, August, then you'll want to find a product or service that your customers will want in June and July and August, right? So what is that other product? And it may not be in the same product line that you're selling in January, maybe something completely different, but because you have that customer understanding, you'll know what problems they're going to experience in different parts of the year, and you can help them in those processes. So really it's about building that relationship with a customer. And when you know the parts of the market, you're going to know the customers in the market, the leads, the prospects. You understand their stages of awareness. You're going to see their journey, and you'll be able to build your business that is risk averse into the market cycles. So we'll dive into these more specifically in the following videos, but in this one, I just wanted to give you a highlight over the 6 key components of a market that you must understand. All right, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.